Welcome back. As you can see, quite a bit's done, but there's still a lot more to do.
What you want?
Anyway, so you're new here? You haven't seen the video? Okay, if you're new here and you just found this video, after the videos, watch this video all the way to the end. And then after you're done, you might want to go back last week and see how that witch's house was made. That's kind of interesting. And then once you watch that, and if you want to see more, like if you want to see how that whole thing was created, go back in the channel and go back to last year and the year before and watch those. And you can see how all that stuff was made. And that'll get you caught up to where we are today. Now that we got all this taken care of, we can start setting up, get our props out here. First thing I need to do is black out the house so you can't see it. And to do that, I'm just going to use this. This is weed blocker material. You can buy it like Sutherland's, a Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever, some kind of thing like that you got around. And it works really good because it's a matte black and it soaks up all the light, so you don't get any kind of shiny reflection back off of it. During the daytime, doesn't look so good, especially when it's windy, things blow around, that type of junk. Kind of looks trashy in a way during the day, but at night, it's beautiful. The house goes away and all you see is what's in front. Now that stuff's up, I gotta start dragging out some props because it's running late in the day. I don't know what happened, but my day's getting away from me. We need to get some stuff out here.
Hey man, what's up?
All right, man, what's up?
You know, I was just wondering, thinking, has anybody ever told you you're pretty light on your feet for a short, fat guy?
Really? This is where you want to go?
What, man? I'm just asking a question.
Well, pumpkins are up. Now we're going to move on to some tombstones. They're a quick filler. We fill up the yard some with this stuff. So let's pull out some tombstones and get the cemetery set up.
I swear, you're doing the truffle shuffle.
What?
Yeah, see, watch.
You got jokes, huh? Shut it down.
Okay. Hey, let me make it up to you. Hey, editor, give me a big fat beat. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about.
Welcome, y'all. Let me introduce you to your short, fat neighborhood Halloween Santa Claus man.
Oh, that's right. You got it, Santa. We got your back. We know you're a gangster. The original OG of Halloween.
Get over here.
Pardon the interruption. We'll be back to your regularly scheduled program in just a moment.
Okay, where was I? Tombstones, that's right. Yeah, tombstones are great. They're a great filler. If you don't have a lot of props and you got a big space and you want to kind of fill that space, just use some tombstones. It's a great result. It's very low effort, high impact on your yard.
You know what, man? I was getting ready to just crack a joke about you being lazy and all that stuff, but honestly, you know, that's some pretty good advice. Those tombstones really seem to fill up the space pretty nicely.
And let me give you another little nugget of information as well. You don't have to go crazy with your tombstones. These are just simple pieces of styrofoam, rounded out with some paint, no crazy detail, and they look fine.
Now we need to turn our attention over here on this side. Get these witches out, get some cauldrons out, start filling up some of that area. There's so much left. I have so much left just to put up, get out. I'm trying to figure out where I'm going to put everything. Yeah, we'll keep going. Now I know this old hag right now, she doesn't look like much. I'm going to layer her up. This is just an old graduation gown, had for years. It's been on her. I want to layer up some of that burlap and creepy cloth, and she'll turn out, she's going to look pretty, she'll look good. She always does. She's kind of one of my favorites. Now, as far as her old broom here, I made this a long time ago. Just found the stick, carved off all the bark. Thanks to SK, which he's an old G YouTuber from years ago, big into Halloween. But this was a stick, and then all those smelly good things you can get at the dollar store or whatever, wrapped around it and then tied up with some jute twine. Pretty easy build. Now, it's hard, I can't show you down in here, but the bottom of this stick, I drilled a hole in here, and I got a real small piece of dowel rod that I'll shove in the ground, come up through this, and then go up inside the hole for that, and it'll stand by itself. Like literally, I could just stand it in the yard and let it look like it's a magical powered broom or something. But I'm gonna put it in her hands.
Hey man, what you doing?
I'm building tripods for these witches' cauldrons.
I think you mean teepees?
No, they're not teepees, dude.
Teepees. Teepee. Teepee for my bunghole. Oh, and the great cornhole. Do you have teepee for my bunghole?
Dude, they're not teepees.
Dude, what's up with the blank screen?
Man, I don't know. I can't find. There's footage lost. I can't find it. Oh wait, hold. Here it is. Hold on.
I gotta apologize, got busy. Forgot to bring you guys along for the ride. The witches are over there, they're up. Got a lot more stuff done over there. Started getting the Reaper up. This old Reaper's kind of cool. Different from that Reaper. Gonna layer him. Doesn't look like much now. Gonna put some more layers on. If you really want to know how it's done, after this video, roll back. Was it last year? Year before? Anyway, there's another video of Halloween build where I describe more about how that one's done, and again, it's on the cheap.
Dude, hang on. Man, I gotta tell you something.
Dude, what now?
No, man, for real. Hang on, I'm trying to be serious. You know, I can't even believe I'm gonna say this, but you know what? To be super honest, you're really good at showing people how to take just kind of junk and cheap stuff and make some pretty cool props out of it. I mean, I have to admit, this Reaper you're making, honestly, it looks really cool for what it is. Hats off to you, man. You do good with that.
Well, thanks, man.
All right, well, I don't know where I left you guys last. Maybe over by the Reaper, somewhere over there, doing that. Possibly. I just, I was running out of time, just trying to get this stuff done, right? There's only a couple weekends left, and then Halloween's here. And I'd like to get this set up so people can drive by and kind of enjoy it for a while before Halloween gets here. Did get some progress made. We got the Reaper done back there. We got witches up. Witches area is kind of pretty decent. There's small details and stuff to do there. Overall, it's looking pretty decent. I've got some more stuff to put up next weekend. We'll see about maybe doing a video there. I don't know how much of a difference it's going to make and what we got going on right now. Until next time.
Keep making something from nothing.